Hi everyone, my name is Lauren Schmidt. According to the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration, unemployment, poverty, and lack of affordable housing are well-known factors that contribute to an individual experiencing homelessness. However, the causes of homelessness are endless. Risk factors include mental health issues, substance abuse disorders, domestic violence, all types of trauma, involvement in the justice system, divorce, sudden illness or death of a loved one or family member, disabilities, and so on. Currently, the COVID-19 pandemic is exacerbating conditions for individuals living without stable housing and has been a major cause of individuals and families losing their housing, employment, and mental stability. The Tippecanoe County Community Health Needs Assessment, completed in February of 2016, ranked homelessness one of the major community needs in 2016, along with affordable housing and emergency shelters. The increase in homelessness and the awareness of this issue in the community shows a definite need for public health intervention. Unfortunately, simply acquiring proper housing does not end homelessness due to the compounding factors associated with homelessness. Supportive services to improve an individual's overall quality of life are critical to achieve the goal of ending homelessness. My grant proposal was created in collaboration with LTHC Homeless Services, formerly known as Lafayette Transitional Housing Center, which is a 501c3 nonprofit organization that serves the population of Tippecanoe County, Indiana. Founded in 1989, the current mission of LTHC Homeless Services is to help families, veterans, and individuals find permanent housing while also teaching others how to end homelessness one person at a time. My grant proposal focuses on expanding the services already offered to the guests at LTHC, specifically the employment services and improving daily living skills regarding maintaining housing to benefit guests and their families' quality of life. These classes will involve on-site training classes to improve the likelihood of finding and maintaining employment for guests, as well as classes to teach guests cooking, cleaning, self-care, and other daily living skills. Outcomes of the project include increasing employment opportunities and employment skills in the Tippecanoe County homeless community, increasing knowledge and skills regarding daily living activities in the Tippecanoe County homeless community, and working to end the stigma of homelessness by educating, bringing awareness, and increasing the knowledge about the individuals and families experiencing homelessness in the Tippecanoe County community. Thank you so much for watching.